you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so most of you guys that watch me are used to me having dark hair, and I'm going to tell you guys, back in January, I had this amazing transformation done with my hairdresser. It took us 8 hours to pull my hair color out. So you guys can see I used to be really dark, and then we went platinum blonde, and it has been absolutely amazing. But that was what, like 4 months ago, and since then we have been in like quarantine since March, and I have not been able to go back to her, and I am going crazy. I'm in this house for 43 days, and I have made an executive decision, and we're gonna dye my hair again. Those that know me know that I love color, and I can't wait any longer. Using Arctic Fox again. I am addicted to this hair dye. If you guys caught my other Arctic Fox review, you know that I had dark hair and the color really didn't pop like I want to. So I'm really hoping for amazing results this time. And I think that I'm going to mix 2 colors again like I did last time. This time I selected to get Electric Paradise. And I'm going to mix it with Girls Night. So this is more of a passion pink with a light purple. To get started, I do want to make note that there's like not much yellow in my hair. So, and the reason why is because I have been toning my hair. This is a purple toning shampoo that kind of pulls that yellow out. So that's going to make a difference in the way that this color comes out as well. Okay, so if you guys want to know like the products that I use for my hair, I'm going to post the link below, and you guys can use that link. There's tons of discounts and stuff included in there as well. Okay, reasons why I love Arctic Fox, and I'm not affiliated with them at all, this is just my personal opinion, is that they are cruelty free, and I love that. You guys know I'm passionate about it. It has no peroxide, it has no ammonia, no ethyl alcohol, none of the bad stuff that really just ruins your hair, right? My hair has already been through enough stress. I don't need any more, okay? And it does say, because this is bold color, you guys, and common sense is going to tell you, you need to pre-lighten your hair. So I have a really good feeling that this is going to be very bold and very vibrant. I did ask my hairdresser before I did this, I was going to do one color, and she told me, make sure you pop a small amount of purple in there, because for blondes, we need that toner of purple, which is why toning shampoo comes in the shade of purple. So there you go. Just a little trick for you guys as you are coloring your hair. So here we go. We're going to go get ready, okay? Okay, so here we have Electric Paradise. And over here we have Girls Night. And we are going to mix the 2 and see what we come up with. I'm getting nervous. This is the color we come up with. What do you think? I've never been this bold before. Ah! Gloves on. Wait, I gotta section my hair. Okay, so we're gonna section the hair. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm gonna section the hair in 4 parts, right? Right. Okay, so we're gonna do that one, and then we're gonna come here and section off this way. And then we're gonna get started. Gloves on. Nothing but my fingers to put this on with. I hope I don't turn out looking like a purple dinosaur. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the front so I can pin it up as I go, and hopefully we don't make a mess. Here we go. Okay. Literally just slabbing this sucker on. We're just slabbing the sucker on. We're just going to slab the sucker. We're slabbing the sucker on. That's a new word for the day, y'all. Slabbing the sucker on. We're going to saturate saturating the hair is what my hairdresser told me. She's like, just saturate it. She said, go old school and just slather it on. Just slather it on. Oh my God. It's going to look pink. I'm going to look like Pepto-Bismol. Here I am, 40 years old, and doing this to my hair. I have lost my mind. That side done, so now I'm going to pull this side up. And I just dropped my hair clip. Oh my God, where did it go? Lost it. We doing this. We doing this. Okay, here we go. We'll just slather that sucker on like ain't nobody's business. Because it ain't nobody's business. This your hair. This your hair. You do what you want to with it. That's right. Oh my gosh. I seriously hope I don't look like Pepto-Bismol. That would be... So far, so good. Now we got to do the back side. This is where I usually get it all over the place. So I started from the top, working my way to the back. Just making sure I get it on all my hair. Because you want to really, you don't want to miss a hair. Because then it would be weird. So I'm just going down each little strand. Very carefully. Very carefully, girl. Very carefully. I just realized I do not think my husband knows I'm doing this. And he just got home. It is in. So now we wait for at least 30 minutes. It also says for best results, cover your hair with a plastic cap. I don't have a plastic cap. Okay. So I will probably cover my hair with a grocery bag. And then if you really want to process it for faster results, blow dry it with a hair dryer for 15 minutes. So I'll probably leave this in for about an hour and then we'll see how it turned out. Fingers crossed. Hey guys, this is the big reveal. This is the final outcome. What do you think? So I ended up leaving it in for like an hour and a half only because the hubby went and got sushi. Nothing interrupts sushi. Okay, so and then just wash it out and blow dried it. Blow dried it. Blow dried it. It's totally not a word. To like this beautiful kind of raspberry color, if you will. I'm digging it. What do you think? I feel like there's like this one strip that I kind of missed a little bit, but it blends in very, very well. And it is a semi-permanent, so it is going to slowly wash out. And as it washes out, I'm a loss of words today. It is going to fade a little bit. So drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What other colors would you like to see? But again, these two were blended together and I'm really liking the outcome. What do you guys think? I love it. Make sure you guys subscribe and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!